when there is Face ID pop-up alert on 1516 series phones. Face ID function is damaged. Use the JCID 1516 series Gen2 Face ID Repair FPC. Remove the damaged dot matrix module. Place it onto the 1316 PM Face ID activation read-write adapter. It has detected that the chip fused and illumination control has failed. Tap read, then save the data locally or to the cloud. Data backup successful. Tap More Activate. After meeting the 4 required conditions, tap Face ID Activate. Face ID activation successful. Chip fused activation completed. All 4 conditions show normal. Then remove the dot matrix module. Soften the flex cable and peel it off. Use a grinding pen to cut open the metal shield on both sides. Heat with a hot air gun and disassemble the dot matrix module. Heat and remove the Face ID flex cable with the QR code. After removal, apply solder to the pads. Clean thoroughly. Take out the second generation Face ID Repair FPC of the corresponding model. Apply flux. Align pin 1 and solder it in place. After soldering, clean thoroughly. Apply insulation tape. After replacing the second generation flex cable, fasten it on the adapter and test it. The flex cable functions normally. Then write the previously saved data to the new flex cable. Data written successfully. Remove and reassemble it into the phone. Use third-party software to test the 3D facial imaging. 3D facial imaging is displayed successfully. Test to record Face ID. Face ID failure has been repaired. The Face ID pop-up issue has been resolved.